Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to sign PDF documents on your iPad using an Apple Pencil. This process is incredibly efficient, saving you time and paper by removing the need to print, sign, and then scan documents. We will explore the native tools available on your iPad, making digital signatures simple and straightforward. Get ready to transform your document workflow with just a few taps and your Apple Pencil. The primary method for signing PDFs on your iPad involves the built-in markup tool. First, open your PDF document in any compatible application, such as the Files app or Mail. Look for the markup icon, typically a pen tip inside a circle, and tap it. Next, locate the plus sign button at the bottom of the screen, tap it, and then select Signature. Now, simply use your Apple Pencil to draw your signature directly onto the document. Once you have drawn your signature using the Apple Pencil, your iPad conveniently saves it for future use. This means you can quickly access and apply your saved signature to other documents without redrawing it every time. You can also easily resize and reposition the signature on your document by dragging its corners. The system allows you to manage multiple signatures, perfect for different purposes like full names or initials. For the best experience, always ensure your Apple Pencil is fully charged and properly connected to your iPad. When drawing your signature, try to use a slightly larger area initially. You can always resize it down later for improved clarity. While markup is excellent, some third-party PDF applications offer additional features like flattening signatures for enhanced security. Remember to save your signed document and share it securely via email or other preferred methods.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.